Hello everybody, this is Chen. I am from Julite. We provide cleaning machines. I am the sales manager of African market. Our company is providing seed cleaning machines. We can clean sesame, peanut, pulses, and all kinds of seeds. Since founded in 2006, and after 15 years of development, we have become the top one company in the cleaning machines. You may ask, how can you say you are the top company? That's because every year we make the most sales, and that's because people recognize us, and that's because we have the best quality machines. For the sales, it's not easy to show, but for the quality, it's very easy to show you. Here, this is our raw materials. It's all from the Shogun group. And then, for this machine, is our cutting machines. You know, for cutting the raw materials, there is different kind of method. First one is manual cutting, and then is plasma cutting, and this one is our laser cutting. In all of these methods, the laser cutting is the best one. The manual cutting is the worst one. Let me show you how this machine is working. First, these raw materials will be put on this machine. We should hold it firmly, avoid any loose. And then we pick one program. The program will tell the machine how to work. Then here there is a laser gun. The laser gun will give out the laser with thousands of degrees. It will burn the iron into air. And when it's working, this device will keep on put the materials into the machine. And the laser cutting will cut it in different kinds of shapes. Compared with the manual cutting, the laser cutting can exact to 0.1 millimeters, and this one is manual cutting can never do it. Let me show you one cutting. See here, this is the edges, this is the holes. It's very smooth, very sharp, and it's very clear. With these cutting machines, we can cut materials to same shape without any difference. We can cut with 10 sets, 100 sets. It will be all the same, and it will infect the machines, so the machines will be same. But now you know, with this part we cannot assembling the machines yet, because this one is separate. With this part, we need to welding them together to one whole frame. For the welding, you may saw it before. When people here wearing a mask, holding a gun, holding a welding gun, it will welding like this. But the problem is, the human welding have one problem. It will make welding 1 millimeter longer, 1 millimeter shorter. It's very difficult to find it out, because it's only 1 millimeter. But for us, we have to solve the problem, because if we don't solve the problem, it may affect to the machines. Maybe one customer buy 2 machines. One machine can work with 5 ton per hour capacity, but another machine can only working for 4 ton per hour. That's a big problem for the customer. It will make him lose money. And also, there's another problem is the manual welding. It may have problem is this time his welding is very good, but next time he feels sleepy. Then his welding is not good enough. Then the frame is not strong enough. Then the customer buy 2 machines. This one working very well. That one break down. How can we do it? The customer will be sad, and it's a problem for us. We have to solve this problem. So that's why we use this welding, the robot welding. See here, we have two platforms. One is for prepare the raw materials. Here, we put the raw materials here into this shape. This platform is special treated. It will have different change the shapes, the sizes. Also, the size of the frame will not change. See, this robot working. We have to make one program to it to tell it where to stop, where to end, how fast it will go. And with this program, we will welding very well, because it will give you the best welding. And this one compares with people, it can do not stop. It can work in for 24 hours. Let's get closer to see how it works. 真得近的。拍一会儿，拍一会儿。See, this welding machine is like an arm. It has the welding gun itself, and with this program, it will know where to weld and how much electric current it will give, how much speed it will use. That's very good. It will reduce the people, reduce the manual working. It will give you out good welding outside. 先快一点。Normally, we will see the welding machines many in the car factories, but in this cleaning machines manufacturer, we are the first one to use this robot. 哎，走吧，还拍吗？拍就拍，不拍咱就走。Every year, we do a lot of work to improve the quality of the machines. Let's see the work of this robot. You see, here is the welding path. If we have more knowledge about this, we will know this. The welding path is very smooth. That means the welding is perfect. It will release the force inside. It will give you very strong frame. This guy is professional. And after welding, we still cannot do the assembling yet, because there is one enemy we should beat it, for the rusting. You know, the rusting is a big enemy for the machines, because when the machines get rusting, the lifetime will be reduced. If one customer's warehouse is have higher moisture, or if the roof is broken, the rain drop into the warehouse and go into the machine, it will be problem. The steels touched with the water, it will get rot within 1 day. One day you find the steels turn to brown from black. That will be problem. Maybe the machine is designed for 10 years lifetime, but once it gets rusting, it can only get 5 years. That's problem. So we need to solve this problem. We need this line, our painting line, this plastic spring line. Our machine has one advantage, is that our machine can be used outdoors. Even the customer don't have the warehouse, no problem, you can use this machine. You just give it a cover when it's raining. Okay, let me show you this line. Here, this is the conveyor line. The workers will hang the parts, the frames here, to this line. The conveyor will take all the frames, the parts, through this spring line, and from the beginning to the end. Maybe sometimes it's too heavy, we need to use the lift. And then the first step is the conveyor take it to the sanding room. This sanding room, there is some guns inside, air gun. The gun will give out the iron bones. The iron bones with high speed. It's about 1 millimeter size. It will crash the surface of the frames, like it will crash the surface. When it's crashing, it will take out the rusting, take out the oil. This one will be clean. And one more thing is, when the balls hitting the frames, it will release the force inside. It will increase the make it strong, increase the strength of the materials. And then it will go to another room, the air cleaning room. The air cleaning there is some air guns inside. It will clean the surface again to take out the iron balls stayed in the corner. And after this, there will be one device. The device will create static electricity and put it on the materials. You know, once we get static electricity, it will be easy to attract some light things. Our line is different with the normal painting. We call it a plastic spring line. Normal painting is the painting with liquid, but ours is with dry powder. We put dry powder on the surface, and then we put this one into the heat room, and it will bake it. This one with these methods, and the powder will get strong and sleepy. Like this. Let me show you. This one is the sanding room, where we take care of the surface of the machine. This one is the control panel. This one is the air cleaning room, where we take care of the surface again. This one is the spring room, where we use gun to put the dry powder into the surface of the frame. There is the fine product, not fine yet. This one is already green. We can come closer and see it. 声音离近一点. See, there is already some dry powder on it. If I touch it now, the powder will drop. It's better to stay it away. And then this one will be sent to the heat room. This room will increase the temperature and baking it. This green powder will turn to very, very smooth and very, very strong. It will protect the parts. As you see, our machines, every part is painted. Let me show you. This one. This is after the baking room. See, it's very smooth like silk. It's very clear. It's very hard. It will protect the materials, protect parts. And we have two kinds of color. This one is the white color. That one is the green color. You can see the surface is very good. Perfect job. And let's review again. With this laser cutting machine, we cut the raw materials. And with this robot welding machine, we rolled the parts to the frame. And with this spring line, we painting all the frames, the parts, and then we assembling the machines. So with all of these methods, we can get the perfect machine. Every machine same, no difference. Every machine working very good. With all this, I think you will know which brand you need. When you need machines, you can talk to us. Find me. This is Chen. I'm from Julite Machinery. We provide cleaning machines. Thank you.